back to our YouTube channel. Oh my god, I was missing this. मतलब मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है to say welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Yeah. We haven't made a video in a week or something because she wasn't here.
Not in a week. From 2 weeks we haven't made a video. I was not at home. I had some work, so I went somewhere. And I really,
we missed looking at the camera.
The thing is, okay, we are looking at the camera and we are talking, but literally when we look at the camera and we talk, we feel like we are talking to people.
Yeah, and we have, I think this is, we have told this like 10 times before also.
And it feels, literally, we are so stressed right now. We are so down. Our mental state is really bad.
So we needed this video, and if you're not interested, you can click back.
Okay, so basically guys, we wanted to come up with something interesting this week, and I know people might have not noticed this, but we haven't posted last week we only posted one video,
and this week also one video, right?
Yeah, this video we haven't put up any video. We'll be putting up a video tomorrow. So yeah, this week also one video. Normally we post 2 videos, that is always on Wednesdays and Saturdays. But I was not here, plus our mental state was not good, and the situations and the circumstances were not
allowing us to do anything
because we were literally so busy and there was no time to edit the videos and to
do anything
basically. But
so finally we are back and we are really excited to start shooting again.
And we okay guys, there might be some noises or some disturbances in this video because the home neighbor, like nearby, like our neighbor,
it's one wall away from how to say it.
Yeah, it's just near this room. So there's a wedding which is going to happen, so there are a lot of preparations going on, so there will be some disturbances,
and we're really sorry for that. So please
and this video is going to be long. Please, if you don't want to listen to us talking and sharing our experiences, so you can just click back. It's okay, this video is for our satisfaction. So guys, please don't watch it. Okay, so basically we don't know what we are going to talk in this video because there's a lot to
speak, and we have made one video. We shall put somewhere. If you want to watch, you can go and watch it. We've made a 30-minute long video last time,
and we made that 30-minute long video after making certain points and noting down things. Okay, we are not going to go out of the topic today. We are not even having time to
make points because
tomorrow I have an exam, basically a very big exam, but my mental state is not good and I have to make this video. I have to make this video.
Yes.
That is, I was like, no, just sit and
make the video.
Yeah.
No matter who watches it or not, we are making this video for our mental state.
And our YouTube channel might be
taken down
after this.
And we've told this before also by making the Sheila Aunty video, and if you haven't watched, somewhere here, and then the 30-minute long video which we made for ourselves, like
actually
today.
We were going to put up something interesting, literally something interesting which we wanted to do.
Yeah, I was waiting for her to come back so that we could make that video.
But I'm telling you, when you are down, when you're stressed in a way, grown-ups don't understand your stress.
Yeah.
So when they are thinking that you are wasting your time, that is when you're stressed. You get it, my Gen Zs.
Yeah.
So that is what is happening. Okay, so let's start, and please go back if you don't want to listen.
No, she's not saying it in a rude way. Oh God, this
The thing is, for people who want to criticize us, please don't watch this video.
I mean, people who want to criticize will watch this video and give us view and then criticize, so it's okay, you can keep watching the video. We don't mind.
And the person who always dislikes our video, please don't forget to
dislike, because more than the likes we need for you. We want you. You are 1 in a million.
You are 1 in a million. Please dislike. And okay, we are not even taunting you. We literally
love you.
I was there in Coimbatore and I called her and asked, Achu, did that person dislike?
Yeah, she called. I was like, no, why did they come? Why did the person come? She's the biggest fan, I think, but it's okay.
Thank you. Yeah. And for that person, I know your identity.
We know you are.
Okay, let's get into the video. I think so we are going to delete this.
We might delete this, but I hope we put this because we actually want to put this video like last time we did. I mean, you're scared right now. We're scared to put the video. We're scared after the aftermath of putting the video. Everything we are scared, but we're just gonna put it if we get the guts to put it.
Okay, so let's begin why we started making this video. Actually, after we moved from
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad, I'll tell you, we were literally,
You know, people have watched
our
talking
anxiety
videos.
level, the amount of depression, I can't even tell you what was going on there.
If I wasn't there for and if she wasn't there for us, then we don't know what would have happened.
So if we wouldn't be there for each other, and if we wouldn't started this YouTube channel, we don't know what we would be right now. And yeah, so when we came to Raipur, it was good.
Yeah, we were pretty happy because it's the new change. Everybody likes new changes. So we were like, okay, this is nice. We have moved somewhere new, and then we'll start.
We liked the environment at that time, but then with time, everything messed up.
Yeah, like how we felt in the beginning when we were in Ahmedabad. Like we have spoken this before, that we were really depressed and all that.
We took time to heal. So I am talking before the whole
YouTube video thing.
The amount of stress we had, we are back to square one.
Yeah.
And
we hate it.
It has been very bad. It has been very bad, and I don't know, when we wanted to make this video, we were like, okay, people will think that they want sympathy, people will think that because whatever we say here, and we come and we try to make people understand,
nobody understands anyways, especially the elders. We tell them something else, they take it in some other way.
Like I'll tell you, we came and we told this thing, that we are now, okay, though we have, she had acne, now almost it's healed, but now also I have acne, and we told that we were very self-conscious, but once we started making YouTube videos, we somehow felt happy, and now we are happy with ourselves. We have started loving ourselves.
We started accepting whatever we don't consider it as a flaw and all that. Okay.
So recently, what happened was that someone told us to put something on
our face, like cream or something like that, and we were like, no, it doesn't suit our skin, so we are not gonna put it.
Because like 2 weeks back, my acne was literally very much. It was severe, and it was literally too much.
Yeah.
Like she knows. So I was like, no, I'm not going to use it, because first of all, I'm not having any treatment. So I'll
make sure to take care of my skin and not put anything that is not suitable for my skin.
Yeah. So that person was like,
how why you all are comfortable with your skin, right? Like you don't have any problem. Then why do you have
go and talk on YouTube channel like you are okay with
your skin? Then why do you have a problem putting this thing on your face?
Okay.
But
what we wanted to tell you, and what did you take it?
Like what we said. Oh God, how do we?
People just take away what
they want to assume,
whatever shit they want to take.
Yeah. Just because the person is saying I'm comfortable with my skin, that doesn't mean that person will just put whatever they want on his skin. Then be like, I don't care.
Okay, let me have
add some acne. Let me have more skin problems.
And then let me like, oh, I have acne.
I love myself.
Yeah, no, it doesn't mean that. Okay, you become down. You feel down at times. You feel depressed.
Yeah.
Just because I'm accepting myself doesn't mean that I don't, feel down or I don't feel depressed. And one more thing happened. Something.
Yeah. We spoke about this thing where we
guys, 1 second, she'll speak. I'll go and...
No, we'll speak together. This is both our cases. We'll speak together, guys.
No, actually, I've put clothes
in the washing machine.
So let me go.
I'll pause the video. It's okay, I'll pause the video.
So, yeah, we were talking about this thing.
The second thing that happened, like the second thing we've experienced.
Many things happened. So this was
just we're talking about two of the So last time we also spoke about how we feel stressed and like we don't want to do anything. So we end up sitting in front of the laptop or we're watching something. But while watching the video or whatever you're watching, we don't feel happy about it. Because there's stress and there's a lot of things.
Like at the back of our head, we have
a lot of things going on. So we are able to concentrate. We said something like that. Okay. we said it in some other way. The person who told us said you said that no, the reason you made that video is because you want to watch laptop your whole day. What? You want to sit in front of the laptop.
Actually, we mentioned it in that video also. But can you see how people filter out what they want to hear?
Yeah, they're like, just because you want to sit in front of the laptop, you want to waste time doing nothing. That's the reason you made that video. We are like, oh my god, why can't people understand?
The thing is, okay, main problem with us is we are not able to tell people, or actually even when we are trying to express it in our YouTube channel and trying to make some people understand, please understand us.
Try understanding one time.
One time.
They're not gonna understand. Why are we talking about this?
Yeah, the thing is, from childhood we have so many traumas.
They're fed up.
We have so many traumas. I'm telling you, we are not talking about financial status here.
Yeah.
People feel that when we are telling this, they feel that they haven't provided for us. You have provided for us.
We're talking about the mental state.
That.
Peace. P-E-A-C-E. Peace.
You are not giving us peace. That's all we are talking about.
Maybe you're not realizing it, but you are not giving it.
I don't know. The thing is, when we wanted to make this video, we had so many things to talk about.
But somehow we come here and we filter out a lot of things because we still feel like, okay, we shouldn't be spilling out things.
Or maybe this shouldn't be done in the start of a YouTube channel.
But we are like this. I mean, if you don't want to watch
the problem is, I'll tell you guys, literally after coming to Raipur, it was so difficult for us.
No, in the beginning it was nice.
No. I'm talking about content. It is so difficult for us to make content because there is no time for us to make content.
And we don't go out. We're not allowed to go out.
Our family is very strict, guys. So if you are so for our viewers, I just hope there are people who just know us from YouTube.
Yeah, I hope people have subscribed because they've just seen the video.
So for people who know us in real life, only our close friends know that our family is very strict and how the situation goes. But for other people who have seen us, you just feel that okay, they are chill pill. We are chill pill in front of you because we don't want to show our stressed faces, or we don't want to,
and that's the main reason we didn't make the video that we were actually gonna make, which we were excited about, because we didn't want to come and sit and make a smiley face and then do all this acting and make a video. We wanted to come happily and make the video.
And the thing is, in the time that I was not at home, I literally tell you, when I went, I'll show you my acne. It's there, but when I left from here, it was very much, too much. And I literally told her, I was feeling very much self-conscious. I literally told her, Achu, this is too much. What should I do? I'm not even going to the doctor. It's too much. So she was like, no, don't feel like she's the one who is always shouting. The way of.
I only shouted her, okay? A lot of people, I think,
she's very sweet with other people, she's just shouting at me, so...
That's a sister bond thing, just don't think that I'm a rude person. I mean, you can think it's okay, but...
No, the thing is, she shouts at me, and that's why, sometimes I change some of my irritating behaviors. So it's okay.
She accepted, thank God.
No, it's okay. I've told her many times that you should actually tell me, what wrong things I'm doing. Like we tell each other what is not.
And then we fight for 2 days, but that's okay. We are back again.
No. Okay, so we are going out of topic, guys.
Yeah.
So on her birthday, we fought and we did not talk to each other for 2 days.
Yeah. No, actually, I'll tell you. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, you get this feeling sometimes. Like before your birthday, only you start feeling like, okay, it's my birthday. I hate it. Like I got that feeling. So I didn't want to talk to you.
The thing is, nothing good was happening in our life.
Yeah, and I myself didn't want to celebrate my birthday. Like I was not in the mood to talk to anybody. I just wanted to sit inside the room and close the door, lock the door.
The thing is, we just want the only thing that right now we want is peace.
Peace.
We don't want. Okay, see, I'm telling you, we want money.
but that we want from our mehnat, like our struggle.
I'm not telling that we want
people to give us money. We will make it. That's what I'm saying.
But okay, that keeping that apart, the only thing right now that we want is mental peace, which we are not getting.
And people still don't understand. People who don't know us, who have just seen us from outside,
you
and heard from others,
Please don't judge us.
Keeps coming and telling us why are you all feeling like that? It's okay. Do this. You don't know us.
You have only seen that part of us which we have shown you.
And sometimes we haven't even shown you. You have heard it from someone else and you are just judging us.
I'm telling you, the people in my family, there are so many good people, but there are so many bad people.
Yeah, they overpower the good people, to be honest.
Literally, I love so many people, but they keep judging us. They keep judging us. I'm so tired of
From
this.
something that they haven't seen also.
Actually, I'll tell you, we have come. We have come and we came in our talking video and we told that we are not getting affected by this. But sometimes it's just that we love you. we actually we have been connected to these people. We love these people so much. At some point in our
And it
life,
hurts. You understand if you are like really close to somebody and if the person does something, at some point it affects you, even if you say it's not.
they just start assuming things about you. I am so tired of this. And
we thought that was the last video and we are not gonna make any talking video anytime soon. But here we are making it because you did it again.
I'm telling you guys, it's. I don't know. Recently, I watched a video of a 17-year-old coming and talking about depression.
Yeah, I have seen that. Oh my god, I have seen that.
So I don't know, guys. See,
it's not a joke. Why do people think it's just acting and it's sympathy?
like we are already stressed out, and there people are just telling hundreds of things.
Yeah, so it's
hundreds
like
of things.
it's not like you can sit and like
It's like, okay, you want to do something and you're already down,
but you're still
Now-
trying to do it because it's important for you.
Yeah,
But you can't because things keep coming on.
people are just thinking about themselves,
Their
They're so
work, their thing.
selfish, and they are just telling us do this.
Even though if you're doing it, it's not like we want compliments or anything. Oh my god, you did a good job. Wow.
We have never received it.
And we
done
don't
so
want it
many
also.
things for people. They have always, our own people go to other people and bitch about us.
So we are used to it now. I mean, like if
I'm
we
telling
don't
you,
did-
very close people, very very close people are doing this to us. Not friends, family. I'm so dying. Guys, we are done.
The thing is, also one more thing I want to say to people who think YouTube is a joke for something. It's not. YouTube is very important for us.
Only
it's
thing
not
that
a
is
hobby.
keeping us sane.
Yeah. And feel alive is YouTube. We love YouTube. It's not a hobby. It's not a time pass. It's not something we are doing because we are bored.
We love our 468 subscribers.
very very much.
We feel sad when we are not consistent.
Yeah, and we are very very grateful.
The
Even though we don't-
times when we uploaded just one video a week, the amount of pressure we had.
But it's a good pressure. It's not like it affects us that much. But we feel like, oh my god, we didn't put it on YouTube. Like
We were so, but the thing was, okay, I was not at home. She was really stressed. She had hundreds of things to do because I was not at home. My work was also given to her.
Yeah.
So there was a lot of things for her to do, and there was no time for editing.
And also, I was sitting at home. Otherwise, I would have vlogged something outside.
Yeah.
I was sitting at home.
And I'm telling you, to all the people who
Think that we are not getting out of house and it's not
and
putting.
all the people who are appreciating us for whatever we are doing, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Like it's coming from our heart. We really mean it. We are very very grateful for your support. I mean, we don't say it often, but we really love you.
Guys, the thing is, everything is going okay.
It's downhill right now.
I'm talking about our
Mental state again. Please don't take it financially or some other way. We're talking about mental state.
I don't know. I might start crying. It is up to that point. It has reached till above, and I don't know, guys. People are just underestimating us, and they are.
People show like they care. People show like they have done so much for us, and at some point they, keep counting and coming and telling us, okay, I have done this for you, I've done that for you.
If you
and you're
are
a burden. Like, just don't do it then.
Literally, they have told us you are a burden.
Just don't do it then. We're not asking you to do it.
Don't do anything for us.
Yeah.
Please don't do anything for
Just
us.
stay away from us. That's better actually.
Please.
Like what they show to other people and what they have done to us is completely different. Like people think, okay, this person blah 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 is very nice and blah 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 blah. We can't say anything right now. That's what I've said. But what we have seen is only what we know. You know what I mean? I don't even know how to explain this to people. I was gonna say something.
The thing is, we don't know what we are talking in this video.
Yeah, we don't even know. Like we keep saying in all the videos that we don't know if we're gonna put it on. But at the end, we don't want to regret making a video, so we put it, you know. And then later when you watch it, you actually like it after like a month or so. But it's better to stay in zoo. At least we'll have some mental peace and we'll have some animals to interact with.
Maybe they will start saying,
They'll start listening to us. Oh, maybe they might get in depression talking to us because the situation is so bad.
Actually, everyone feels their situation is bad, and I'm saying this, guys. This is too much. So done with ourselves, with everything.
I'll tell one more thing. Okay, there's a quote here. Should I just do it like this?
No, you know, there's a quote
here. If you haven't watched our room decor, you can watch it and you'll know how it is. It says,
if nothing changes,
if nothing changed, there'd be no butterflies. Okay.
So this was a quote which was motivating us.
Yeah, like I used to get up and I was like, wow, and I used to like walk away.
If nothing changed, there'd
be no butterflies. You know what? Like it's a very important, like a meaningful quote.
Okay. Now this quote is also not motivating us because nothing is changing.
Yeah, I looked back and I was like, and I just brought up, like, just remove it and throw it. It's not motivating anymore.
Nothing is changing, guys. Okay. Now, if I start speaking like this, people will be like, oh, sympathy.
No, we don't care. We'll not talk about the sympathy thing. Just let anybody think whatever they want to think. I mean, we've been making videos not thinking about anybody. We just did whatever we wanted to do. Because once in lifetime we want to do something that we want to do and we want to think what people will think about us.
We want to be a bit real.
Yeah, at least somewhere.
We want to live a normal life, guys.
At least somewhere.
Because we are pretending so much. Like, we are always pretending. Trying to do what others want.
Try to put on a smile. Not like this, but like proper way.
And we are so done, guys.
Yeah, we're done. We're done faking expressions now. So if it's something annoying, we're just like,
no. Nowadays we have started expressing ourselves because now we are like, if you talk to a stone, it is better.
Yeah. I love that.
If you talk to a stone, it is better. These people, if you talk to them, if you tell them, and
then they say, you don't talk to us, you don't tell us anything. When you tell them, they want to judge, they want to make assumptions, they want to go and talk shit about you to others. Why should we speak then?
Oh my god, can you believe I'm telling this to you for after 10th time, own people talking bad about you.
That also lies, not even like truth. If it's something we did and then like, okay, maybe we did something, so he or she wanted to express and then that person went and told. But no, lies.
I think so. We should do some bad deed now.
Yeah, then it'll be better, right? Like anyways, the person is lying. So if we do something that will be nice for us, like we'll enjoy it, and then the person will complain. He or she might feel better.
Maybe we should just go out of house and we should have a trip and come back, and then
money Ajja will give. She's sitting and dreaming. Either we can't even get out of the house. She wants to go on a trip.
And oh my god, there's so much work that we do here. Okay, for people, there is no work we are doing.
Mm-hmm.
For us, we are not able to do our work because
look up and talk. We are not doing anything wrong. Why should we look down?
So we are having so much things to do at home. If you watch our videos, guys, you know how many small things we do, which is not letting us do what we want to do.
I have been writing my assignments since a month, and I haven't even able to finish half of it.
And now because we are so stressed out, we are having she's having migraine, which is not diagnosed, but she's having it.
Every now and then, like, my head, I'm dying, my head.
Now she has
my neck. I am becoming one Ajji here.
She has some problem there. I have body pain.
Here also full problem. Yeah.
In it is normal. Ye sab to hota hai. This is very normal in an Indian family.
Yeah. Stress,
if you don't,
that's acting. Anxiety, that's more acting. Depression, oh my god, she's such a sympathy seeker. Is that a word?
Coming and talking like this on YouTube. Family ka naam kharab kar
shameless.
Oh my god.
Shameless.
Kill us. That is better, man. I'm literally
she knows about me and what I know. If they do like that startup drama.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are.
Hello V, how are you? Don't distract me. What is V doing these days? I'm standing like I'm an OT7, okay? We got distracted, but it's okay. We are having an OT7.
But nowadays we is like.
Yeah, like for it's like for a week one member will distract us. Now it's we. What are you doing? Don't do this. And Ovi, how is Mr. Chaniel doing? I'm talking to my what do you say? My sister, no sister, look at Chaniel. No, I don't want to make him my brother. Sorry, Ovi. He's not my brother. But yeah.
Park Jimin.
Hey. Don't do that. That only we both can speak. You can't come in between to Park Jimin and all that.
Aaron.
Where are you? Aaron?
See, guys, for people who think that we are going crazy behind BTS,
Yeah.
this is the only thing that is keeping us sane.
Sane. Oh.
This real world, that is this imaginary world which we live at times, is the world that is keeping
I
us.
literally see. I don't want to dream. I don't want to have nightmares or cry at night. So I literally sleep like this. I sleep touching BTS and I sleep. And then after 5 minutes I remove my hand and then I sleep. Go to sleep. Because then I feel like okay, I had something good in my life. You know, not financial again. Please, I'm going to keep saying it because people take it so negatively.
They feel they go and tell to other people that they are ashamed.
We don't even care. If we would have cared, we wouldn't have acted like this. We would have come
Okay,
like
now whatever video
dressed
you-
and full like them sleek, full like we are coming like this.
This
because
is
we don't-
not how people come in on YouTube channel. Wearing Manish Malhotra fashion. See?
This is special Valentine's Day edition. February. I shouldn't have shown this. Unlimited edition. It's limited edition. Your green pant is for what? It's a Tulsi Puja bench by, so it was given to her by for that. They have Mehndi ceremony. No, Mehndi. No, for Haldi you can wear this.
Yeah.
See, I did matching like this.
Guys, I'm very tired because I just reached yesterday. I'm very sleepy. But this video was important because
We didn't even speak half of whatever we wanted to speak. We ended up speaking about something else, but that's okay. I kind of felt like I felt 5% good after coming in because so irritating. Because see, not a lot of people are gonna see this, and I mean they might not see it also, but like still even like they might open at least. So we be like at least okay, somebody listened to us. Somebody. I told this before also that YouTube, okay, people who comment, we can delete it. In life, you can't slap the person. You have to like keep looking at that person's face. You have to listen to that person every day. So it's like irritating. But YouTube, you
and
can
because the people who talk to us are elder to us, because we are Indians, we have to be
like
on
this.
their
Even
feet.
if they tell, yeah, one more thing.
You are looking ugly. Oh my God!
What's a motivation? Sorry. I told you, I have gotten this, okay? So we have spoken about this in a video where we told that people come and criticize us, like elders, relatives, they come and tell us that you look bad, like you have acne, you have gained weight, do this, do that. And, they talk about your, like they assume things about you and then they talk shit about you basically on your face and they discourage you. We have spoken about this and somebody came and told us that you shouldn't do this. They are talking about it for your benefit and for your good. I just imagine the situation. Yeah. Tell me, compliment, like, talk shit about my weight and my face, okay?
Oh my God! When I saw you in the childhood, you were thin. Why did you become so fat? And extra fat?
Auntie! Thank you!
You were not
Did you
like
see
this, beta.
No.
You became extra fat. Look at that pimple on your face. It is looking so bad. It is so. You're looking so ugly, my child.
Why did you speak like that, my child?
I don't know. Yesterday I met a sister, so maybe I was talking to her. She gave me Ashirwad and all.
Yeah, okay, really. Thank you, auntie. Did you see the motivation she gave me? This is gonna stay for lifetime. Thank you, auntie. Peripon, auntie. Thank you, auntie. Like this is like who does that? Like you piece of shit. Thank you, auntie. I respect that. You have said this is the best words. Like who does that? Oh my god, I look like a bhoot, but it's okay. But who says that? And like we don't understand people. Don't scare them. I mean, we are understanding the concept of understanding the elders. and then we are supposed to say thank you to them. Thank you.
Okay, so you give money to, not money, you give things that you feel you should be giving.
Not what we want.
Uh-huh.
I mean, like, we're not demanding also. We have never demanded anything, but people still think we are demanding. That's okay.
We are the worst children in this world. Bigde hue bache.
I thought of saying some big day something.
We are bigde hue bache of the house.
Yeah.
हमसे ज़्यादा big day इस दुनिया में कोई
नहीं है. कोई. When we start talking Hindi English accent, कोई नहीं है.
We are those children who are just, out of hands.
Yeah.
किसे वो हाथ से निकल गए हम क्या out of hands. Now it will be, now she'll shout when we have to edit it. So now please, I don't know the English for this. हाथ से निकल गए हैं ये बच्चे. इनका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. इनका अभी दिमागी आप चेंज.
शर्म है तुम्हें बेटा?
नहीं है. शिलांटी.
I miss Shilanti. I want to become Shilanti again.
Shilanti.
She's Shilanti.
Shilanti डिप्रेशन हो रहा है.
बेटा क्या बोलते हो? डिप्रेशन नहीं होता है बेटा. ये तो पढ़ाई करो तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. IAS IPS हो बेटा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
बैंक
चुप चुप करते रहते हो इसलिए ऐसा होता है. कुछ काम करती नहीं है. कुछ काम नहीं करती तुम. घर का कुछ करती हो तुम? झाड़ू मारने के लिए ऐसा बोला तो मेरा कमर दुख गया. पानी भरने बोला तो कमर दुख गया. कुछ करती हो पूरा दिन? लैपटॉप, फोन, सोशल मीडिया सब चलाते रहते हो. कुछ काम करो बेटा, पढ़ाई करो. So it's been so long. Shilanti, I miss you.
बाल भी खोल के ज्यादा. शिलांची पे
फैशन बेटा, फैशन नहीं करना. बाल बांध. I'm not. She's acting as if molesting me. Oh, my nose. Hit my nose.
Actually, I'm talking to you, but I'm somewhere else. In some other land.
I'm currently in Thailand. Oh, Thailand is Thailand.
Thing is, this is not getting better, guys. I don't know, we just want...
We are trying. I mean, we wanted to speak about this for one more reason, is that we don't want to be inconsistent on YouTube. Like, we love YouTube, okay? So if by
the thing is, like we told, we are not having, like, we are trying to make content out of
everything and anything possible. You've seen that we vlogged for like some days and we put it. I mean, I like those videos now because we were very real. Like, we didn't even like act one person. We did everything, like every freaking thing that we normally do at home. We've shot it. We felt good about it because we just put it. But we don't know if people are liking it. But I feel like we should still do it because it made us happy, you know. It kind of made us happy doing it.
Because we can't pretend, guys. This is too much.
Yeah, because see,
we want to be real on our channel.
We have pretended
this is
everywhere.
The only place. This is the only place where we can express ourselves.
And we have been real. So we want to continue being real in this platform.
And okay, so we'll end this video because this is too much. I think so. It's more than 30 minutes, and we love you.
Yeah, we genuinely love you. Like, I don't.
8 people who are there with us.
Even though like not all of them watches our video,
okay.
but yeah, we are subscribed. We are really grateful for you. For everybody who likes the videos, everybody who actually shares when we ask them to share a video.
Thank you so much.
And for people who I don't even ask how the videos, who come and tell me that the video is good, okay, this thing was good. I love you all genuinely. Like, I love you all so much. I mean, it's weird to say it on your face or like through text or anything, but I genuinely love each one of you.
We know that we will get success.
Yeah, we believe in ourselves. Okay, it's not like we are keeping a lot of expectations or anything, but we will do whatever we can do in our hands because we genuinely love this platform. Like, we love it.
And I'm literally being honest with you guys. There have been very bad situations and we have still tried to be consistent
on YouTube because that's how much we love it. And the reason is when we keep those things aside and come and shoot, we feel happy. That's when we realize that this is the only thing that's like this is the first thing, but the second thing that makes us happy is YouTube. Like, well, we got distracted, but yeah, you can continue.
So guys, I'll not tell you to like this video, share this video, subscribe or anything.
Yeah, that's not for this video.
I just want to tell you that we trying to not pretend. We'll try to be real as much as possible, and we'll try to be consistent on the YouTube channel. And I don't even know if any YouTuber does this.
Yeah, where they come and talk about what's happening in their life in their like first 100 videos or something. Guys, we've completed 100 videos.
Yeah.
we're very happy. We didn't come and show it because we're not in a state to come and like laugh and all that. But
But we are happy about whatever we have done,
we never thought this many videos will be up on our channel. But
because as we speak, I think you might understand how stressful it has been for us.
I hope you understand. At least you understand, because nobody understands.
Nobody understands, and we are sympathy people.
Yeah, sympathy.
We ask for sympathy.
Sympathy.
Always sympathy.
Sympathy is our first name.
Sympathy Rachna.
Sounds nice.
Rachna Sympathy. Rachna Sympathy. Nice, right? Nice surname. It's better than Rachna Nair and Rachna Nair.
Is that rude thing to say? No, right? It's okay. We didn't mean it in a rude way. I thought we've turned it
I don't know. I look beautiful, right? I just know. No, I like.
I don't know. Suddenly I feel like we're really beautiful for the camera. Beautiful people. Diwali Vlog also I told. If you haven't watched, please make sure to watch it. It's beautiful.
So, guys, I don't know. We're talking shit. So we love you.
Thank you so much. Please
And
take care of
stay
yourself.
hydrated. Take
Yes.
care of yourself.
Always remember your mental health. You are important more than any person. You are not selfish if you are taking care of yourself first. Always remember that no matter who says what, you are important. Trust me.
And no matter, I know it. Sometimes it's your very close one who is taking you down, who is not letting you go up, who thinks that
They have been supporting you, but they have been doing the complete opposite of that and telling people that they have been supporting.
So guys, sometimes I know situations are bad.
It hurts. You don't feel like getting out of the bed. It's okay. If you don't feel like getting up out of the bed, just stay in your bed and make sure you are okay, and then do whatever you want to do. Don't ignore your mental health and go do what somebody else wants you to do.
Just take care of yourself.
That's all we want. That's all we want to do. We love you. We are really grateful once again. Thank you so much. Hug for all of you.
Bye bye.
Bye guys. Love you all. Bora hai.
Bora hai to all my armies who are watching, and we love you.
Love you.